World Boxing Champion Laishram Sarita has been finalized as one of the candidates for the first International Boxing Association Athletes Commission to be set up on September and October this year. Upset over the state government's alleged failure to meet their demands, the Old Manipur Surrendered Hill and Valley Welfare Association is all set to launch a hunger strike at the community hall of Kaisampat Laimajam Leikai, Imphal. Calling for a united stand on issues surrounding 5G networks and data storage, diplomats from 5 native groupings of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa said that the digital economy would dominate the meeting of BRICS foreign ministers in Brasilia today. As per reports, the BRICS country may also search for common ground on data localization of particular interest to India after the Reserve Bank passed guidelines ensuring that financial data pertaining to Indians is stored only in Indian servers. Amid the political crisis in Karnataka, Assembly Speaker K.R. Ramesh Kumar disqualified 3 label legislators with immediate effect till the end of 15 Vidhan Sabha. According to a report, the Speaker disqualified Congress legislators Ramesh L. Jarkiholi and Ramesh Kumathali, representing the Gokak and Anathi constituencies in Belagavi district, and KPJP legislator R. Shankar representing Ranebinur in Haveri district under the 10th schedule of the constitution. 30 Bangladeshi nationals have been deported to Bangladesh who had entered India illegally and served their due punishment. The 30 Bangladeshi nationals were lodged in various detention camps in Assam. They were deported back through Sutarkandi under Karimganj, Bangladesh border in Assam. 20th anniversary of the Indian Army's resounding victory, Kargil Vijay Divas, over Pakistani Army in Kargil War in the year 1999 was conducted by the troops of Army under the aegis of Dow Division. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall forecast for Mumbai, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Kerala. As per the forecast of the Regional Meteorological Centre Guwahati, the northeastern states are likely to experience moderate to heavy rainfall for the next 5 days from July 25th to July 30th with moderate rains in between.